Hello everyone, I am Hani Santosh Sankhe. I am from SAS Institute of Management Studies. Today I am going to start about PowerPoint presentation for Human Resources Management. My topic name is Manpower Planning. So let's see. What is a manpower planning? It is attempt to forecast how many and what kind of employee of various types comparing these need with the present and expected workforce and determine the number of type of employee to the recruited or phase of organization. It also to determine beforehand the personal requirement of an organization in terms of quality, quantity and type of need in a strategy for attending the plan. So manpower planning is a process which include right quantity of people, right quality of people, right time and right job. Suppose you have an entrepreneur, so uh, you have a need various much of manpower. So using so this term is a you needful for manpower planning. So let's next slide. Manpower planning. Manpower planning is a determine the human resources required by the organization to achieve its strategic goal. It is a process for ensuring that the human resources requirement of an organization are identified and plan are made for satisfying this requirement. Manpower planning involves the forecasting for the future, finding how many employees will be needed in a future by business and types of skill should have their process. Means of what manpower planning is a various objective like a forecasting, goal of organization, utilization of manpower for program implementation and for maintaining production level. These are a these are a four term. You are to use a manpower planning to recruit the new manpower or recruit the production growth. Reasons for manpower planning. Reasons for manpower planning. Projection of corporate objective onto human resources objective. Forecasting shortage of worker, ensuring sufficient skill, full employ, career development, succession planning, boost human capacity of utilization. Development of effective attraction and retention system. Build up highly skilled and flexible workforce, managing short or long term requirement or a wrong sizing purposeful competitiveness in a human capital. There are reasons of manpower planning. Uh, these various objectives forecast personal requirement, cope to the change, use existing manpower productivity, promote employ in a systematic manner. There are various importance to use of manpower. These are required talent, prepare the people for a future, expand or contract, cut cost, succession planning. Importance of manpower planning, it help to determine the personal requirement. It help in solving the problem or overstaffing, reduce the redundancy among staff and find way to optimize possible redundant staff. It helps attract and retain quality staff. It helps to meet the possible need for a future expansion and diversification. It helps to monitor labor cost. It helps to reduce the possible shortage of a quality staff to the right time, number of time, place or a skill. It provides opportunity for career training development. Classification of HR planning. Existing term means our organization have a already in our employee in a staff. This called a existing staff. Potential staff is a contract basis staff. New requirement when you require require required a new manpower. It's a new requirement. Redundant staff means support those who have resigned in our job, and these are a notice period in our organization. These are a redundant staff. And leverage means a retirement. Those are a retirement of means of 60 above 60. These are a retirement person. uh, this classification of HR planning. Then types of manpower planning. The main types of the basis of the level which it is done, on the basis of the period which it done. Manpower planning is on the basis of level, on the basis of short period, medium period, long period. This on the basis period of long term planning. This enhanced period of 5 to 10 years. Such planning embraces all aspects of organization growth. It considers the mission and vision statement of organization. It fosters environmental scanning. It promotes expansion, development, and achievement. Next is on the period basis, intermediate medium term planning. This this enhanced period to 3 to 5 years. Such planning embraces the intermediate goal. It considers the medium term goal of organization. On the term basis, short term planning. This required the intermediate need and demand for the employee. It often deals with the budgetary system. It covers the period of 1 to 2 years. The planning of period short term and long term. Some business enterprises plan for an 15 years while some 1 or 2 years, depend upon the nature of type service that the organization produce. Some business companies like electrical, utilities, potable water, oil companies, telephone companies for plan to 10 to 15 years, depend upon the type of organization. Also fundamental on extent rapidly changing force affecting business determine the utility to forecast our manpower planning. Problem facing in HR planning. There are various facing of in problem in HR planning, like forecasting, finance, expertise, resistance to change, record problem, natural size and organizational economic policy, leadership, environment, government policy, business ownership, nepotism, favoritism. Forecasting. Human resources demand forecasting depend on several factors, some of which are given below: employee trade, replacement need, productivity, and which number of employees should you require. These are a big problem in HR. Finance. Finance is the finance. HR planning should have balance the finance and production ratio to like cash flows, various balance sheet, and to protect and produce more production to the our company growth. Expertise, as the demand for highly trained professionals of the top tier game growth become a challenge for HR manager to attract the best talent, and manager should pay attention how will employee fit into the organization along with the job role. Factor like employee dedication, work ethic, and fit in our company are more critical than any other skill he she might have a present. Next is um, resistance to change. Conduct cultural awareness activity to the help of employee to understand new and diverse background. Team building activities will also enable the entire workforce to work as a one team on the common objective. Record problem. There are various problem in find like HR in uh, this problem to solving in role of HR manager. Leadership manager can work on this by providing specific training section to talented individual. Show employee a clear progression path ahead of them. This will increase the likelihood then saving the organization to develop interpersonal skill in our organization employee. Give the employee opportunity to lead and present the team of our organization unity. That's environment. Environment uh, is a helpful nature and conduct the environment to use the uh, e- use the planning and technique to our organization. Government policy: maintaining health and safety standard. Rank is vary in HR manager priority list. The general well-being of employee what keeps an organization running and growing along with the physical well-being in HR and stress level of employee in an organization. A sustained period of high stress and unnecessary cares of concurrent for the workplace. Thus, the employee should demotivate of our organization. That's it's a depend on company's production and growth. Next is the business ownership. There are various types of partnership in our organization. That's why diversify in sector to directly impact in employee mind. Nepotism. Nepotism is also biggest problem in HR planning. Thank you.